Pre-intermediate 19. The importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of all living things on Earth, including plants, animals, and microorganisms. It's the foundation of a healthy and functioning planet. Every species, no matter how small, plays a role in the ecosystem. For example, bees and other insects are responsible for pollinating crops, which allows us to have fruits and vegetables. Forests help to regulate the climate and clean the air we breathe, while oceans provide food and produce half of the world's oxygen. When we protect biodiversity, we are protecting the natural systems that keep humans alive. Well, unfortunately, biodiversity is currently under threat due to human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and climate change. Scientists warn that we are losing species at an alarming rate, which could lead to the collapse of ecosystems. This is not just a problem for nature, it's a problem for us. For example, many of our medicines are derived from plants found in rainforests. If these plants disappear, we might lose the chance to find cures for many diseases. Protecting biodiversity requires international cooperation and a change in how we use natural resources. We need to create more protected areas, reduce our carbon footprint, and support sustainable farming practices. Preserving the richness of life on Earth is essential for the future of our planet and the well-being of all living creatures.